Today we're going to be making
Back with
slime.
another video.
Today we're going to be making slime, and we're making balloon slime, snow slime,
We're
road slime,
doing
you name it. All the slimes.
we're making butter slime, snow slime,
Balloon slime,
cloud slime,
color slime,
yeah,
crunchy slime, Orby slime, fluffy
sticky
slime, fluffy slime, color slime. Wait, we're stupid. We brought markers and paint.
It's okay.
Anyways, let's get. I'm gonna show you all the stuff we got.
Let's
Markers.
get into the video.
Markers.
But we're gonna show you the ingredients for which slime we're gonna make first.
We're making the balloon slime first, and we're gonna show you how to load the balloons. Then we're gonna make another video.
This is basically a challenge. We're gonna do a challenge.
So get the scissors and open it, or you can just open it.
Ouch.
I want to pour the glue in first.
You need scissors, and
I'll
or
go
you
get
could
the
just take turns.
No, I'm gonna go get the
Well, we got some balloons here, and we're basically just gonna put them in and then fill them up, like blow them with air.
Mine's is way sharper. You have to put the stuff in first.
I know.
I'm blowing it up like.
Alright,
I'm gonna
so
put Tide in, and she's gonna put glue, or we're both gonna do glue. But we have to use this because Alright, I'm gonna do white.
yeah, and we got a Sharpie. Where did I put the Sharpie? It fell. It was a blue Sharpie.
Write the names. Is it coming out? Glue. Sorry guys. The glue's coming out.
Emily, what? I don't know where I put the marker at, so we can write the name.
Look at your face.
Those are not gonna work.
Then I don't know.
I was looking for the Sharpie. Jesus. I mean, I don't know what to say, but okay.
I want to do the shaving cream.
Somebody says shaving cream tastes like milk.
Yeah, on the Don't Judge a Book by its cover. And I tried it and it did not taste like milk. That's all.
Oh my god. Oh, it was really good.
Oh, that really doesn't work, I think. Because I used it for the
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry, guys.
I think it's that's not good. And I just dumped it.
You're stupid.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, this is not going to work out. I'm just going to have to open it.
Ooh, use light colors, don't use green.
Why?
Because the marker's not going to show.
And don't use red and don't use black. Well, you can use red. Not a lot. It's like if you're filling up a water balloon.
Don't use the whole thing.
Just use the whole thing. We got a lot more.
Yeah, but we're making like 5 different types of slime.
Don't worry. This is all. I forgot it.
How are you going to put your mouth on it now?
I don't know.
You see?
Guys, that's the sink and go down. Go down, sweetheart.
I didn't put that much in mine. It's okay.
Alright, this one's done.
That's nasty.
I made a bigger mess. It's gonna explode the more air you put.
That's it.
You got your mouth? I can't tell it because my hands have glue. I hate gluey hands. gosh.
Glue.
I just spit in the water.
Ew. You got glue. Wait.
I can't try it. Keep on floating.
I put glue. Ew, it looks backwards. Wait, I don't know how to show you that, but yeah.
Can you
That
try it
was
because it's gluey? Over here it's gluey.
Nasty.
Wait, don't do that to my glue. Oh, I have to write glue. Oh, I saw the orange bottom. No more glue. Ah.
Now, which one are we going to do? Shaving cream?
Yeah, I want to do shaving cream.
Go. Do it.
I want blue.
I didn't know that. Emily, you're going to make a mess. No doubt. Emily.
Oh!
It just ripped on me. Wait.
Oh, there's everything all over in this scalp flossing.
You have to put air in first.
Listen, I don't know.
Imagine it.
How? If it doesn't help.
You do it for me.
No!
This one below. You do it for me.
Oh, snap.
Can you do it for me, please? I appreciate it.
Nothing.
I'm gonna try it.
Wait, I need to write. Shaving cream, where's the marker?
How is it working out for
For you.
Cause you're so rough.
With it, Emily. You see, you got it. That's it.
Now I'm gonna have to blow air.
I don't want to blow air.
You don't want to blow it?
Mm-mm.
You know you could just pop it regularly, but then that's gonna make a bigger mess. So I might as well put air.
Don't put air!
I want to put it.
You want to put air?
Put your finger in my mouth.
No, I didn't. You actually put shaving cream in your mouth.
It's coming out.
Can you do it?
No. Told you not to do it. But no.
That's it. Alright, next thing.
Ew!
What?
It's in my mouth.
I'm gonna show you again, so. Shave. Ew. What for shave, not shaving? Shave, dummy, shave, shaving.
Now water.
Water? No.
Yes.
Emily, don't. We're not putting water.
Then what was the water for?
For the diapers.
Type.
Yes. Better decision. Emily, don't do it.
I don't know how to do it.
Fill this up, right?
No, I wanna do it.
Fill it up.
Stop.
More? That's all the
How do you want?
Put it over. Heavy, heavy. Up here. I'll hold the tape for you. Why you have to put every...
Their name. Why you have to put God's name in your mouth? It broke.
No.
We just
Making a mess, guys. This is hard. That's okay. How what?
Emily, hold the balloon.
I told you.
Put it over the table.
Oh, I'm sorry. You can't see what I'm doing.
What's that? I don't need thread in my mouth. That's all you want?
Not all of it. It's almost done.
Oh. I'm sorry.
Alright, I think that's good. Wait, I'm gonna do it myself.
See, I'm better than you on this.
You got shaving cream in your hair.
I don't care about my hair, girl. I care about my mouth.
Alright, ready?
That's nasty. I have to drink some water. That's good.
You're nasty.
I could tie balloons.
But not slippery balloon. It has to be nice and dry.
Slip. Stop slipping on me.
Stop. You tell everybody my YouTube channel is cool.
That one wasn't that bad. I didn't get no tied in my mouth.
Me either, except the first time.
Can you stop?
Doesn't want to tie. Emily. Doesn't want to tie.
It's so slippery.
Emily.
Tight. Emily. My mom's
God. It popped.
What's that? My stomach hurts. Oh, I didn't want. Like, oh my god. Like, tight. But look how mine look.
Oh my god.
Damn. Where's the current record?
I'm not gonna put that in slow mo.
Ow! I bit my. Ow.
Emily.
Well, I was about to put Emily because it's only Emily. Let me do it for you. Try it for you. I can't get over it. I was about to say time makes your clean clothes.
Clean clothes. Tie makes your clothes clean.
I know, that's why I really don't care. But damn, how am I gonna go home?
You're gonna have to stay over.
Let's get
Hey,
this.
for one time. I feel really disgusted right now because I know there's like OD tied around this. But I gotta take the chance for you
You
guys.
want to do it?
No. What? Two.
You didn't really know. Come on. I'm gonna put things in. No lotion. Pass me the lotion. Pass me the lotion. A bubble just popped out. Look, bubbles is coming out. Pass me the lotion! And that's what we're using? The shaving cream, lotion, and Tide and glue? Huh? There's no!
Wanna make butter slime?
No. We can't put clay and the balloons.
Yes, we can. Oh. They're sticks.
Just put it in.
I blew it up. It doesn't taste that bad.
What? Lotion?
I blew it up and then just like right back in my mouth.
Want me to tie for you?
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Stop doing that.
I got it.
Yeah, boy. The light is glaring on you. That's why I sat here. I knew what was gonna happen.
I just stepped in Tide. What is this again, Tide?
You just said it and you said what it is again.
Alright,
What else do we need? Lotion?
And that's it.
I don't want that much.
Because it makes it sticky.
I can't wait to do this. Hey!
That's real skin. Ooh, that came out good. When you put it up, when you put it in, just blow it. I don't want it to blow back in my mouth. I'm not even gonna blow it up.
It's gonna blow right back in my mouth. Try.
I'm not putting that much.
That's it. That was not the best.
This is slippery.
Well, slow-mo. Alright, we're done, yay!
You don't want to do clay?
No.
We could do clay in the black one. Alright, I'm doing clay now. Alright, I don't want this black one. That one's wet and sticky.
Yeah. What color are you doing?
I'm doing purple.
Perfect.
How I can do pink. I'm gonna do blue last.
I like doing this part.
Oh yeah.
How only the black came out?
Racist.
Who, me?
You want to make black slime? Oh, we made black slime before.
And it turned brown because remember,
You just put it.
Ew. It's gonna
go inside anyway. You're putting it in the balloon. It's gonna die.
What percent was it on?
I don't know. It was on 5 until you charged it.
you put it in there? Why is it not blowing up?
You spilled the water.
I dropped it in the water. Doesn't want to go in. You put it in?
Put it in? No.
You don't see it? um.
Now I got it in.
Can you do it for me?
Oh, the black one's.
Already thin, so it's easy to tie.
Oh no, look.
Yo, how your glue is so big? What's this little?
Cause I blew it up more.
Ready?
Yeah,
So,
scissors.
bye.